Ready? Start. In reply, Learned Standing Council, appearing for the state respondents, has submitted that the creation of post is within the sole domain of the state government and it is purely executive function of the state government which can be exercised keeping in view the necessity and requirement of the post with a view to ensure proper and smooth administration and functioning of the state government. Stop. It has been urged that the creation of post of deputy director technical does not come in the way of functioning of incumbent of the post of Deputy Director Engineering or Monitoring Cell occupied by the petitioner as the respondent number 1 had been promoted on the newly created post of the Deputy Director Technical, which does not have any concern with the work duties of the post of Deputy Director Engineering Cell. Stop. He has urged that this court has not restrained the answering respondent from creation of any such post. Stop. He has further urged that since there was only one engineer available in the feeding cadre for promotion to the post of Deputy Director Technical, that is the fourth respondent, therefore he was considered and promoted. Stop. He has further urged that keeping in view that the serious financial irregularity committed by the petitioner, a disciplinary proceeding had been initiated against the petitioner and he was placed under suspension. However, this court had interfered with the order of suspension and stayed it. Stop. In compliance of the order passed by this court, he has been restrained in service. Stop. The disciplinary proceeding is still pending against him. Stop. He has further been submitted that the post of medical officer was abolished and in its place a new post of deputy director technical was created. However, since to the said post only the person of engineering service could be promoted, it was the fourth respondent who was eligible for promotion and has been promoted, in which no illegality has been done. Stop para. Mr. Misra, learned counsel for the petitioner, controverting the submission of learned standing counsel, has submitted that the post of deputy director technical is a higher post of medical officer and has submitted that on abolition of the post of medical officer, the post of same status could be created in another feeding cadre, but the post of deputy director, which is a post of higher pay scale, could not be created as it is a post of promotion also unless the rules and are amended. Stop. Since Rule 5 provides only 3 feeding cadres as a source of recruitment to the post of deputy director in proportionate manner, the proportion of source neither could be increased or decreased without amending the rules, and if there was necessity to increase the post of engineer, the state government could increase it by abolishing the post of medical officer, but for the purpose of promotion to the higher post, no engineer could be considered beyond ratio provided under the rules. He, with full belief, has submitted that till date Rule 4 and 5 of the Rules 2004 have not been amended. Stop.